Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you all are good. In yesterday class, we all learned about community eating. Is it? In which we are learned about community meals, gurudwaras and temple, right? Today, we are discussing about hostels. Anybody know about hostels? Children's? Hostels. Many children are studying the hostel. Hostels are boarding school. Boarding schools. In which students are study and stay with other children. Study and stay with other children. Is it? In hostels or boarding school, many number of students are studied. Study and stay with other children. Is it? Then, in hostel, the students are served their food in same dining hall. Same dining hall. Is it? I will repeat once again. In community eating, the hostel is also an example for community eating, in which large number of students are studied and stay in the hostel or boarding school. In hostels and boarding school, the students are study and stay with other children. And these children serve their food in same dining hall. Is it? Yes, children. Another example for community eating is mess. Mess is a common place where the people are served of armed force. Armed forces. Is it? Mess is a common place where the people are served food of armed forces. Like armed forces means defense force, navy force, air force, soldiers. All these armed forces can be served in the mess. In mess, soldiers and their family can eat. Soldiers and their family. And their families. Soldiers and their families can eat in the mess. In mess, they celebrate the festival and function. Festivals and functions. The armed forces like soldiers, air force, navy force, these forces are celebrate their festival and functions in mess itself. Is it? Yes, children. Another example for community eating is pantry cars. Anybody idea about pantry cars? Children? In some trains, the food is served to the passenger from pantry. In some trains, food is served to the passenger from pantry. Is it? In some trains, food is served to the passenger from pantry. Pantry is the place in which food is kept. From pantry, the employees of the trains take the food and serve food for passenger who are present in the train. Is it? These employees served the passenger on their seat itself. Is it? These employees served to the passenger on their seats. Is it? I will repeat once again. Pantry cars is an example for community eating. In some trains, food is served to the passenger from pantry. What is pantry? Pantry is the place in which food is kept. Is it? From pantry, the employees of the train serve the passenger. Then these employees serve to the passenger on their seats. Is it? Yes, children. Another example for community eating is midday meals in schools. Yes, midday meals in school. What is meant by midday meals? Anybody? In most of the government schools, the lunch is provided free of cost. It's called midday meals. In many government schools, lunch is provided free of cost. Is called midday meals. This midday meal scheme was started by Government of India. This midday meals scheme was started by a Government of India. Is it? Serving midday meals in the school, it has many advantages. Let's discuss one by one. Serving midday meals in school, it develops a equality and sharing between the children. Equality and sharing. Then, children of all religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, all these type of religions, students are eat together. All religions, students or children eat together. Next, third one is it provides nutritious food. Midday meals provides nutritious food. Then this midday midday meals attracts the student from poor family. From poor family. Yes, children. What are the advantages of midday meals in school? First one is it develops equality and sharing between the children. And children of all religions eat together. Then midday meals provides nutritious food to the children. Then midday meals attracts the children from poor family. Is it? I stop here, student. Let me meet in tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.